Lesson number 1. Let your mind adapt to life changes. Which one of these do you think is important? Is it the knowledge, the family background, or the soft skills? It is actually the flexibility that we show towards everyday life changes that determine the quality of our life. How often do we come across the people who call themselves as shattered just because they face so and so situations in their life? On the other hand, if we observe carefully, the same situation would have been used as a life changing stepping stone by someone else. So it is not the situation, it is up to the individual to utilize and create their further life. If we let our mind to perceive it as an opportunity rather than failure or success, we will be able to see the good in any experience. Lesson number 2. Connecting the dots. During the journey of understanding the mind, identifying the connection between thoughts, words, and action is very significant. This can be clearly seen when you closely watch yourself. We tend to pick up ideas and thoughts from people around us even without a conscious decision. All problems are the illusion of the mind, says Eckhart Tolle. That's why the same situation looks like a huge problem for someone, a little problem for someone else, and not even a problem for others. The connecting dot starts from the words that we use, leading to action, and finally, the reality that we face. Lesson number 3. Stay away from overthinking. As we hear this, we might have question in our mind, am I overthinking? Or we can quickly jump into the conclusion like, I always overthink, or overthinking, that's not me. Now, how do we tell the difference between thinking and overthinking? Your body and results tell you. When the quality of our thoughts produced are not right, it goes on, and hence the quantity increases. This ties up the mind and the body. When the quality of thoughts are good, then the process ends quickly. 5 ways we can enhance the quality of our thoughts would be healthy foods, mindfulness, choosing good friends, consuming good content, and exercise. When the lifestyle changes, it automatically shows up in the outer world, and we all know that the outer world mirrors the inner world. Then why not care about the inner world as the prime priority? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.